Okay, I want to go ahead and apologize because I was supposed to do like a 3-4 part video, but it did not work out like that. This video is going to have, you're going to see me bleaching the knots, partially making a wig, and you will not see me apply this wig to my head. It was late that night. I just wanted to go ahead and get it done. I did not film it. However, this is the install. This is with the Frontal. It took me probably 30 to 40 minutes to make the wig, more closer to, I think like 30 minutes. I made the wig real quick. However, I did apply it using Ghost Bond glue, and this is it. And as you can see, these are my edges. I've had this wig installed now for 3 days. It holds a curl pretty well. I only curled it that first day, and as you can see, the curls are gone, but I didn't roll this hair or anything. I just put it up in a ponytail and slept with it like that. So right now what I'm going to do is, what I use on it is the argan of Moroccan oil. I use this to apply to the hair. I didn't put anything on the hair today. I just used just a dime size, and I just want to smooth that in. I already have product on my edges. I use a wax stick to flatten down my edges, and I go through it with so what I do is I go in and this just helps flatten down the edges of the hair. And because I already have product, I put product on it that first day. I'm not going to put any more. This thing works miracles. Like if you want your frontal or closure or anything to lay flat, just use this. I kind of wanted a hump up here, and I think I laid it too flat with this. But this is really, really good. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through and I'm going to quickly wand curl this hair. Today is day 3. I was having problems more so with the 26 inch. The ends of it snags a lot in the back. How I constructed the wig is with, I sewed down the frontal, and I actually did use the hot glue gun method, and it went quick. And to me, that helps seals the weft. I'm not having a whole lot of shedding. See, that's just one strand. Not a whole lot of shedding with this hair. And the hair feels pretty good. I do like the hair. However, I was having a little bit of issues with the 26 inch. So I'm just going to go in and not going to waste your time. I'm just going to show you a little bit on how I wand curl this hair. So this is the hair, real quick, effortlessly. I I don't like precise curls. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. Sometimes I just want to just have like just waves mainly. And that's what I kind of achieve with this, just some nice waves. So this, I don't know how this frontal, this is my first time installing a frontal. Again, as you guys know, it's my first time installing a frontal, but I think I did pretty good. Like, this wig is not going anywhere. So I just want to tuck that behind the ear. Okay. As far as the hair, I think the hair is pretty good. It is an AliExpress vendor, so you can't expect like high grade hair when it comes to AliExpress. However, I've purchased from AliExpress before, and this is some of the better hair that I have gotten from there. I'm only having problems with one bundle, but what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to use some silicone mix on it, and I'll also come back to you with a video on how I apply my frontal using a Ghost Bond glue, and from start to finish. Again, thank you guys for watching.